Welcome to this screencast of Apache Isis. In this screencast we'll be covering setting up the development environment. It's intended for those programmers who are interested in contributing to Apache Isis, or those who are just interested in getting the latest greatest features by downloading and building the source themselves, or those programmers who are just interested in understanding what's going on under the hood as they develop. What we'll do is we'll start out at the Apache Isis homepage and go to the wiki. Under the wiki you will see contributor how-tos. Under that is setting up the development environment. So we will go there, and here's an introduction, and followed by that introduction is setting up Java, Subversion, and Maven, and that's what we'll cover. What you'll want to do is you'll want to download the Java 6 JDK, also Subversion 1.6 and Maven 2.2.1. Once you've downloaded those and installed those, the next step is setting up the environment variables, and that's what we'll do now. I am using Windows 7. You can also set up these same environment variables on the Mac and Linux as well. You'll just use different tools to do so. So in my case I'll go ahead and bring up the system environment. Under my system properties I'll click environment variables, and first thing I'll check is my Java home. Make sure that is set to your Java home directory and hit OK. Go to your Maven home, ensure that's set up to the Apache Maven home directory, and then you'll want to set up your Maven options. You can see under the environment variables here, you can simply copy and paste that if you want, and bring that up and paste it into your variable value and hit OK. Once you have that set up, another thing you also want to check is your class path. A simple way to look at this, since it tends to be large, is to do so from a command prompt. So what we'll do is we'll go under and bring up a command prompt, and in that command prompt I can echo my path, and I can see in here that I have my Java JDK bin directory, my Subversion bin directory, and my Apache Maven bin directory. I can also validate my versions by typing in Java version, seeing the Java 1.6 JDK version that I have. Also I can type in my Maven version. See, Maven 2.2.1 is installed in my path, and then for Subversion you'll actually want to use 2 dashes before the version, and it will show you the version of Subversion that you have. Once you're at this point, now you're ready to actually download Apache Isis and do your first build.